Hi there. A restaurant receipt template can help restaurant owners get more happy customers. The reason behind this is that a good template can help restaurants fulfill accurate orders in accordance with customers' needs. Unhappy customers are more likely to leave negative reviews on social media. On average, one bad review can lead to 30 lost customers. So, it's important that restaurant owners ensure order accuracy and get as many satisfied customers. Printed kitchen receipts also enhance the professional image of a restaurant, therefore increasing the overall dining experience. Using a detailed receipt helps improve communication between the restaurant front of house and the kitchen, thus avoiding misunderstandings. To create a restaurant receipt template, owners should first begin by accessing their restaurant admin dashboard. Then they should click on the online ordering icon in the left navigation panel. Restaurant owners should then scroll to the Printing Order Taking app section and then click Overview. They should click on Learn More to find out more about the features in the printing section. After following the instructions in the Overview section, restaurant owners will proceed to the next step of making their restaurant receipt template. In the Printers section, they will find a list of all their installed thermal printers. It is important to note that the printer section will only be populated if restaurant owners have already installed a receipt printer. To learn how restaurant owners can set up a restaurant thermal printer, they should click on the suggested video that just appeared on the screen. Restaurant owners then need to click on the Edit icon to assign a restaurant receipt template to their printer of choice. In the printer settings, restaurant owners can choose a template, language, and number of copies for printing. To assign a receipt template to the specific printer, restaurant owners should click the Add button. To delete a restaurant check template, restaurant owners should click on the trash icon next to it. After they finish making their changes, they should click on Save. Now that the templates have been assigned to the printer, now it's time to customize them. Restaurant owners should click on Templates on the upper left of their screen. Then click Add Template. Restaurant owners should select the type of receipt template they want to customize from the Template Type drop-down. The client receipt template is what the front of house would present to the food client after they've been handed their food. It contains vital pieces of information, like the menu items and add-ons that were ordered, including their prices, the taxes and surcharges incurred on that transaction. For the delivery driver, it contains the delivery address and a QR code for Google Maps. And for the cashier, it contains the payment method so that they know if the order has already been paid. Now, let's take a look at the Kitchen Essentials receipt template. This template is specifically designed for the kitchen staff. It omits client-sensitive information and focuses solely on the items that are prepared in the kitchen. The Kitchen Essentials template also contains checkboxes and a quality control section so that whoever is packing the checkout bag can be sure that they included everything that was ordered. Once restaurant owners have selected the template they want to customize, they should give it a name, and click Save. Then they should click on the Edit icon next to the template they want to customize. Restaurant owners should click on the Preview Options drop-down to expand the selection. Here they can select whether they want to preview the restaurant receipt template based on orders, times, and payment methods. The Orders drop-down allows restaurant owners to generate a mock-up of a restaurant receipt based on the fulfillment option of the food client. That is delivery, pickup, table reservation, and order ahead. The time drop-down allows restaurant owners to simulate a restaurant receipt based on the fulfillment time selected by a customer. That is ASAP, or order for later. The payments drop-down will render a restaurant receipt based on what payment method the client opted to use. For example, cash or card delivery. The restaurant receipt template on the left will update automatically for each selection restaurant owners make. The ticket holder space option lets restaurant owners decide how much space from the top of the receipt to the first printed line they want to have. To save paper and ultimately cut costs, it's recommended that restaurant owners keep the spacing to one line. Restaurant owners can adjust the font size of payment method items. Additionally, they can display the last 4 digits of a customer's credit card in the food column. Restaurant owners can uncheck or check the Show Card Details online payments option to display or hide this information. Restaurant owners can display or hide various sections on the receipt by toggling the Show/Hide button. The Time section displays the fulfillment time of the food client's order. As with all the other upcoming sections, the text size can be changed to a minimum of 10 pixels and a maximum of 18 pixels. If a restaurant has in-house delivery drivers, they can choose to display the estimated drive time on the receipt by enabling that option. The Directions section displays the food client's physical address. This option is convenient if delivery drivers are manually inserting the food client's delivery address into their GPS. This section also contains an option to display a QR code that opens the food client's address in Google Maps. Restaurant owners should check or uncheck Show Address QR Code to enable or disable that option. The receipt will display the table number field only if a customer selects Dine In as an option. Restaurant owners can change the font size for various items in the order details. These elements include the title, order number, order placement time, order acceptance time, and fulfillment time. Similar to the other sections, the font size for all the fields in the client info section can be increased or decreased. Restaurant owners can also opt to show or hide the client's email address by checking, unchecking the Show Client Email option. The Client Comment section displays any comment about the order that the food client might have inserted at checkout. In the Items drop-down, along with changing the font sizes of the articles, restaurant owners can also show additional fees for add-ons, sizes, and show add-ons, sizes names. Switching on the Order Online option will add a section to the restaurant receipt template that contains the restaurant's website information. When the Contact Details option is enabled, it displays the restaurant's contact details. In the Your Info box section, Restaurant owners can add any additional information that they would like customers to know. They simply need to type in the title and then add their information. For example, a restaurant can run a coupon-based promo to boost sales by hosting a happy hour event. To learn how to set up a coupon-based promo, they should click on the suggested video that just appeared on the screen. The client confirmation section allows restaurant owners to collect signatures from individuals who physically receive an order. This section is helpful in disputing chargebacks in case of online payments with card.